Hey guys, Mob Educator Summer Labayan here, bringing you a quick and easy hair hack for the perfect tip out. I'm going to start with my section, diagonal back, and we're going to over direct towards the front of the face. Give it a good tease. Grab my foil, and we're going to paint higher towards the face, lower towards the back of the head. Grabbing some Luna lightener, painting in our mids, ensuring good saturation, and then just feathering up. Sandwich our foil so we don't have any harsh lines or folds. And there you have it.